The biggest mistake is buying one upholstery cleaner for every job. That leaves you storing a machine when a roller or targeted treatment fits better. Choose by material, mess, upkeep, and storage. 4. Portable upholstery cleaning machine. I'd choose this for households cleaning isolated stains and larger sofa sections with one movable unit. Its compact build travels between rooms and stores more easily than a full-size machine. The nozzle also reaches narrow upholstery crevices where spray and cloth feel awkward. But powered cleaning brings more setup, storage, and ownership effort than a bottle or roller. It's also somewhat loud, which matters in shared spaces. Skip it if you mainly collect pet hair or want the simplest possible dry cleanup. For outdoor fabric stain treatment. Patio cushions and outdoor sofas are its lane, especially when oily marks drive the purchase. I'd pick it over an indoor-focused formula when your regular cleanup happens outside. Its targeted format also avoids storing a powered machine for occasional cushion maintenance. But tougher stains may need another application, so this isn't necessarily a one-pass routine. That narrower outdoor fabric roll is the real trade-off. Skip it if your main target is an indoor sofa. I'd also pass if repeated applications would annoy you more than owning a broader cleaning system. For colored stain spot treatment. This is the focused bottle I'd keep for tomato sauce, coffee, or fruit juice marks on compatible upholstery. That makes it practical for food and drink accidents without committing storage space to a machine. But its material exclusions decide the purchase before the stain type does. Don't use it on silk, velvet, vinyl, or leather upholstery. It's also narrower than a machine built for broader sofa cleaning. So I'd skip it when you're unsure about the fabric or when whole surface cleaning matters more than quick spot treatment. Keep it for compatible fabrics only. For leather upholstery care kit. I'd choose this when leather furniture needs a dedicated routine rather than a quick surface refresh. The kit includes an applicator and buffing pad, so the needed grooming tools stay together. Its two-step process suits buyers willing to spend extra time on material-specific care. But that's also the upkeep burden. You won't get the speed of a single spray and wipe product, and the routine asks for more attention. Skip it for non-leather upholstery or rushed cleanup. I'd also avoid it if you won't consistently complete both steps, because convenience clearly isn't this kit's main appeal. For red stain spot treatment. This is the specialist I'd grab for fresh red wine or other red-colored spills, not routine whole sofa cleaning. It can also cover carpeting and clothing, which gives one bottle a broader household role. A travel-size format is available for buyers who want treatment close at hand away from home. But application isn't the final step because washing or rinsing is required afterward. That makes access to cleanup space part of the decision. Skip it if you want a leave-on process, need broad upholstery maintenance, or can't easily rinse the treated item. For wide upholstery hair removal roller. If surface hair is the problem, I'd choose this before bringing liquid or powered cleaning into the routine. Its wider coverage suits larger upholstered areas where a clothing-size roller becomes tedious. The dry format is also easy to store and grab for frequent grooming. But it only lifts surface hair, so it won't replace stain treatment or deeper sofa cleaning. Regular refills create the recurring ownership burden, too. Skip it for set-in marks or liquid spills. I'd also pass if buying replacement refills will make you stop using it. Choose Little Green for broad wet cleaning, Sunbrella for outdoor marks, and Woolite for compatible colored stains. Furniture Clinic fits leather routines, Wine Away targets red spills, and Scotch-Brite handles surface hair. Confirm the upholstery material, required follow-up, storage space, and refill burden. Prices and formats change, so check before you buy. I default to the Little Green for mixed sofa jobs, but switch to a targeted option when material or mess is specific. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.